Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. Today I'm showing y'all how I got this bright neon orange eyeshadow look only using one color. I started off with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I want to show y'all my nails because they were just too cute. But I'm starting off with some tape like I always do so my look can be clean, and then I'm gonna apply my primer for my base. Also, y'all, this is not my usual setup for when I do my makeup videos, but I already did this look once. The pictures that were in the beginning is from the first time I did this look, so this is my second time doing it. I just didn't feel like getting in front of the lights and all that stuff to do the same look I already did. Alright, y'all, so I'm using this neon pigment stack again that I got from the makeup plug, and I'm just using this dollar wet n wild brush, and that's all I use. Okay, y'all, so as y'all saw, I just put it all over my eye, and right here I'm brushing off the extra little pigment that had flew up into my eyebrow. So I added some more. I don't know why I did that to my brows and then started adding some more because I just had to get it out of my eyebrows again. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just using the same brush to get the pigment out of my eyelashes, and this is something that I didn't do the first time, which I wish I would have thought of, because I just put my falsies on top. I tried to just like knock the pigment off of my finger, but that works so much better. So use a little brush like that, a little spoolie, and you can put some mascara on. I want to put mascara on today in this video, y'all. I didn't feel like putting them lashes on just to take them off after this video because I wasn't about to go nowhere or do nothing. But yeah, for reference, get it off with a spoolie and put some mascara on before you put your falsies on. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to get ready to do my face. I'm using the exact same products I always use, so this part ain't nothing new if you've seen one of my other videos. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch, and that's it. All right, y'all. So this is how the look came out. If y'all like how it looked, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.